Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do the unboxing of the mini bike. It's by ONEBOT S1 model. I did before S7 and T6F by same company, and the quality was pretty great actually. So I decided to do another unboxing of different model, and I just received it. So I'm gonna do unboxing and I will show you what is inside. I'll do the speed test and give you some spec on this bicycle. I'm gonna weight the bicycle as well and give you all the information at the end of the video. Alright, so let's see what is inside. Actually the box came in good condition. It came from California shipment, so it looks like it's maybe charger inside and some manual over here. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah, it looks like a manual over there. And actually it looks like fully assembled seat over here. Okay, so the seat is looks like the same as S7 model. The post actually it's not bad, it's pretty long. I'm gonna try to pull it out and see how heavy. Actually, wow, it's very light with one hand. So I remove this protective stuff, and you only need to bring this up. I will not lock it in for now. Actually, you can lock it in. Okay, I put already a seat in, so it's right here. So it's all assembled, and then you just bring this handlebar up, and you would need to remove this latch by unscrewing one of the bolts, I guess. So the assembly, it's so easy. So you just remove this latch, you bring in this up and put the handlebar in, close this, and put this latch back and reattach this nut or whatever you call it. And it's super easy. You just reattach it and then make sure it's closed tightly so it will not move. And this handlebar post can go all the way up if you want to, up to here, I guess. There is a sign. Okay, that's it, up to the maximum. The bicycle came full assembled, as you could see. Only the stem need to be lifted up, and you just you can adjust it. Actually, it's adjustable stem. It can go up or down easily with a clamp over here, and then you just remove this clamp over here, this bolt, and insert this handlebar. That's all you need to do. The pedals, the fenders, everything was already attached. It comes with a nice headlight, which are movable with your fork, which is great. So it gives you better lighting. It also comes with a horn, and the crank looks pretty large actually. So it should be pretty good pedaling, I think, and very tall seat post, as you can see. So it's probably fit a taller person as well. This frame is made out of aluminum, so it's very light. The fork made out of steel. It comes with a dual brake system, mechanical disc brakes, 160 millimeters, and it's pretty thick. Actually, it's a great brakes. It's the same one, comes with ONEBOT S7, I noticed, same brand, and it comes with foldable pedals. It also comes with a feature where you can attach the rack if you want to over here, and I'm not sure if they're gonna sell it. And it's come with foldable handlebar. The frame is not foldable, and the bike weight only 37.5 pounds. So it's very light, one of the lightest electric bike I have, and I weighed it by myself, so it's 37.5. It also comes with a soft, nice seat. It's like sport seat. There is no tail light, but it comes with a reflector, and it's very light, easy to carry, because over here you have handle, you can lift it up. So if you need bike portable and easy to lift, it might be a very great choice. And the same brake system as I said before, with the same 5-star. It comes with nice display. Let me show you the display. So display will show you percentage of the battery. I already charged, so it's 100% battery charged, and you also will see the battery eventually will be graduated once you start to ride your speed, and it will show you how many miles your bike have, like odometer. And to change the odometer, you just press M and it will change to odometer. If you need to see time, it will show you the time, how long you rode for the trip, and also the trip. So by pressing M, to turn light on, you just press the plus sign, and you will see the light over here. So it will turn on the light, and here's the light. It's pretty bright for this mini bike. It's the same light came on the T6F model, and it comes with a horn, as I said over here. It's half throttle, very comfortable grips. It's like a rubbish, not plastic, very good and solid. And it comes with kilometers, but you can easily to change it by pressing plus and minus at the same time. Hold it and it will change to P0, so it means it's in programming mode. You press M and you will see over here it says kilometers. To change to miles, you press plus sign, or go back to miles, you press the plus sign again. So once you decide which one you want, kilometers or miles, you press the M again, and you will press until it will reset to 00. Okay, and it's a pretty nice display because it works really good on the sun, and the information I checked, it's pretty accurate percentage wise. It's really good. So I'm gonna go right now for the speed test and to see how the bike is actually riding. The bike comes with 3 modes. So I'm right now on mode 1, about 10 miles an hour, pretty good. And I'm gonna pedal a bit to feel it. Actually, it's not bad. Pedaling pretty comfortable. And the crank is pretty large, so I think I might do a lot of, I think it might be pretty fast with the pedal assist. But I'll do 2 tests right now. One's gonna be just throttle only, another will be pedal assist. And now I'm gonna go for speed test with throttle only. I'll put on the level 3. It's the fastest level. And now it's going 13. Actually the speed pickup pretty quick. 40 miles an hour on GPS, on display 15 and 7, and so far it's 15 miles on GPS, and so far so good. 15 miles on GPS, it's about between 17 to 18 miles an hour based on my experience, actual mileage. But so far it's going pretty good. 82% battery show, but because I'm using the throttle only, it will adjust back to 100 once I start to do pedal assist, most likely. So it's holding 15 miles an hour on display 15.6. So actually it's not bad. And let's see how fast I can go with a pedal assist only, which is should be fast. (16, 17 on GPS only. I'm going to talk about GPS. 18. So it's I would say about 18 miles on GPS plus another 2 to 3 miles. It would be 21, about 21 miles on pedal assist level 3 with a good pedaling. But okay, I'm gonna put on level 1. And pedaling this bike actually pretty comfortable, and the seat is softer. than some other brand I will not mention. But notice ONEBOT actually making nice seats. They include nice seats, nice display, horn, everything. The good about this bicycle, even it's mini 14-inch wheels, it still give you a very nice comfortable pedaling, because your seats can go up, no problem. I still have about 2 inches to go up if I want to. I just put this way for now. And handlebar, I think it's up to the limit. And I'll do compare video in the next video to other bicycle, mini, the same size, so you can see the difference and all the benefits this bike comes with. And I'm gonna try to go about 15-16 miles an hour right now, and brake, to check the brakes as well, because brakes is very important. And I think this bicycle comes with real nice mechanical brakes without even squeaking much. I did adjustment because the fork was a little bit bended, like not fork, like the mounting. So I'm gonna brake right now and see how it will go. Wow, it's even lock in the rear wheel, very strong brakes, so it's good. So far it was good. Only takes me about 2 meters to brake with 50 miles plus 2, so it's 70 miles an hour. Brake pretty good actually. And yeah, that's a big difference riding this bicycle versus other mini bicycle with the same size wheels. That is better pedaling, much better pedaling. You can go level 3 over 18 miles an hour, 20 miles, and still be able to pedal. So that's a good part of it. The bike stability, it's about the same as any other 14-inch. I would say, yeah, about the same. I don't think there's much difference. A little bit maybe better stability, but I need to check the wheelbase, so I'll do all this check when I'm gonna do compare video. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and follow me so you can see other video like this, compare video. I'll try to give you more information once I'm gonna ride more this bicycle, and to show you all the cons and pros on this bicycle. But I will do compare so you can decide, because this bicycle listed as $500 sounds like it's more than some other bicycle in the same size. And I don't know what's the size of the battery on this, because it never listed. It says 36 watt, so I'm not sure what the size, but the distance can be ridden up to 50 miles, they say, with a throttle only, and 30 miles with pedal assist, which possibility likely if you're lightweight. It's probably designed for 120 pounds and I weigh 215, so it's probably less likely I will get the same mileage on this bicycle as any other one, but it's normal. I notice if you start to ride this bicycle like from beginning, try to use throttle only, you'll get wheelie. So I usually start with a pedal assist, just pedaling as a regular bicycle, and then you can use throttle, because if you try to do throttle only, for some reason the balance and the power of the motor, even in 250 motor, I feel like it's a lot of power in it. This bike costs under $500. I think it's pretty good deal if you consider to have a light bicycle. It's not the fastest, but I think it's faster than most of the 14-inch bicycle out of the box. Even it's listed only 16 miles an hour on the website. Based on my speed test, it was faster. It's made on actual mileage, as you could see, much faster. GPS always show about 2 to 3 miles less, so I think it's give you good results. And I weigh 250 pounds, so it's carrying me pretty good. I know compared to other bicycle, out of the box it would give you about 13 to 14 miles on GPS. So this bicycle about 1 to 2 miles faster than, I will not name the name, but I'll do compare video so you can see the difference. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.